Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Grandy, and today we are on Chapter 15, Lesson 2, Polygons and Angles. In our last lesson, we talked about two-dimensional shapes. Now today we're going to continue talking about that and also talking about angles. As we learned before, a polygon is a closed plane shape with three or more sides. Things that are not polygons are open shapes. They are not closed, okay? And they do not have a curved side. Because they don't have a curved side, a circle is also not a polygon, okay? Now, angles. All polygons have angles. They have the same number of angles as sides and vertices. Remember, we talked about sides being the flat parts here, and the vertices is where each side meets. Now, the angle is the inside part where they meet. Here's an angle, and here is an angle. A triangle has three angles. A right angle forms a square corner. A square has four right angles. The pentagon below has two right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles for a square, and 1, 2 for a pentagon. Now we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to start practicing some more of our two-dimensional shapes, and we're going to count the number of angles. So the first thing we have to do is count our angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. If it has 5 angles, that means it has 5 sides. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. Let's try the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. This shape is also a pentagon. Number 3, let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this shape has 6 angles, it also has 6 sides, which makes this shape a hexagon. Let's count the angles for number 4. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 angles, 3 sides. We know that a 3-sided polygon is a triangle. Okay, let's keep practicing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. 5 sides. This is a pentagon. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles here. 6 angles. This is a hexagon. One, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 angles, 4 sides. This is what? What do we call this one? That's right, it's a quadrilateral. Let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice here again, we have 2 right angles. 6 angles is a hexagon. Number 9, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not a right angle because this line is slanted to the left. So it is 4 angles, which also makes this shape a quadrilateral. Let's try one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, 5 sides. This is a pentagon. Now, we are going to attempt this one where we're going to draw a polygon with 2 right angles and 2 other angles, okay? So the easiest way for us to do this, 1, here are our right angles, okay? Then we're going to go here, and we're going to go here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Is that right? Nope. Why? What did Mrs. Grandy do? Mrs. Grandy put 5 angles and 5 sides instead of 4. Let's try again. Let's see. How many sides do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right. So we know that this one is wrong. 1, 2 right angles. And 2 that are not right angles. This has 4 sides. Since this is a 4-sided figure, it is a quadrilateral. 4 sides, 4 angles. We have a quadrilateral. Okay, 2nd grade. So quickly to review, a polygon is a closed plane shape. It has 3 or more sides. They are not open figures and they cannot have a curved line. Okay, this is an angle. An angle is the space here where the lines meet. Okay, and a right angle makes a square. That is correct. All right, 2nd grade, I will see you again soon.